Good morning, dear students. In the last class we discussed about pair of linear equation and two variables, uh, 3.2 exercise, second main. So we'll go for the third main now. So what is this? On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of equation are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, we know the rule when it is consistent and when it is inconsistent. Already taught you, just we recall that once again. See, when the lines may intersect, in a single point, when the lines may intersect in a single point, in this case the pair of equation as a unique solution, therefore it is consistent pair of equation. Okay, when it is intersect like this, then it is consistent. Okay, the line may be parallel. In this case the equation has no solution. If the line is parallel like this, so equation has no solution, then it is a inconsistent. Okay, then the line may be coincident. In this case, in this the equation has infinitely many solutions, so it is dependent, so this is also considered as a consistent. So if the line is coincidental, if we get a single line for the two graphs, for the two equations, if we get a single line, that is also considered as a consistent. Okay, now we'll see that which is consistent and which is not consistent in this exercise. So now see here, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 is there, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 is there. So first write this properly, that is 3x plus 2y minus, write in the standard form, minus 5 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here this is a1, this is a1, this is a2, and this is b1, this is b2, and this is c1, and this is c2. So therefore here a1 by a2 is and b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3. So therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So therefore what type of line you will get? So you will get a intersecting lines. Okay, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you will get intersecting line. So I think you remember that this method also I told you. Just wait, I'll show you that. Just look into this. Here the intersecting lines. When you get intersecting lines, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the line what we obtained is intersecting lines. So next, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the line is a coincidental line. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then it is a straight line. Okay, then also we can consider as a consistent. Okay, this is the first problem. So I hope all of you understood this. So therefore the line is right. So for the line, the equations are consistent. Why? Because it is intersecting line. So next we'll move to the next problem. So now we next here 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So first write this in the standard form. So that is 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So here a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4. So if you simplify that, you will get 1 by 2. And b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, which is equals to 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equals to 8 by 9. If it is 8 by 9, so that is not equal to 1 by 2. We are not able to simplify it further. So therefore, if it is the here we know that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not, sorry, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So therefore the pair of, if it is like that, it is a parallel lines. If it is parallel lines, see, if it is parallel lines, so in this case the equation has no solution, therefore it is inconsistent. So therefore this is inconsistent. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, next problem. Okay, here next problem. So 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. So now, and one more equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So correct this, simplify this. So therefore a1 by a2, that is 3 by 2. So that is here a1 divided by a2, which is equals to 3 by 2 divided by b1 by a2 is 9. 9 is there, nothing is there in the denominator, I can write it as 1. So therefore which is equals to 3 by 2 into take the reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal, you'll get 1 by 9. So therefore 9 1 3 ones are 3 3s are, so which is equal to 1 by 6. So therefore a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 6, and b1 by b2 is equal to they are also 1 by 6. Why? Because b1 by b2, which is equals to 5 by 3 divided by minus 10 by 1, which is equals to 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. So 1s are minus 2s are. Okay, so then what we're going to get, which is equals to 1 by 6, not only 1 by 6, it is minus 1 by 6. Okay, so therefore b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So if it is minus 1 by 6, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So therefore plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 both are not same. So therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So therefore pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay, so why it is consistent? Because you're going to get a1 by a2 is intersecting lines. If it is intersecting lines, so that is a consistent. It is intersecting lines, it is consistent. Okay, so next problem. So this here 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, that is minus 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore c1 by c2 is equal to 11 by minus 22, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the pair of linear equation are consistent. Why it is consistent? So we know that a1 by a2, b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So then it is a coincidental line. So then if it is coincidental line, then it is consistent. Okay, so then it is a consistent. So therefore 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. So therefore this problem, it is a consistent. Okay, so next problem. So the next problem, 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So here a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 3 by 2. So therefore 4 by 3 by 2 in the sense, so that is 4 by 3. So that is 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 1, which is equals to 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 1s are, it is 2s are. So therefore the answer is 2 by 3. That is a1 by a2. Similarly b1 by b2 is already 2 by 3 and c1 by c2 is also 2 by 3. So therefore a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So therefore the pair of linear equation are consistent. So why it is consistent? Because here if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, is a coincidental lines. So if it is a coincidental lines, so therefore it is a consistent. Okay, so therefore the given problem is consistent. I hope all of you understood this. So all of you copy this in your classworks. Okay, okay, now do this problem in the homework. So what we need to do, so which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? So you need to find which are the following pair in this four, which is consistent, which is inconsistent. You need to find. If the consistent obtained, obtain the solution graphically. If we get the if we get the what is that, consistent, suppose if we get consistent, so then what you need to do, if we have to find the value graphically. Okay, what are the values? That is if we get a coincidental line or a single line, so then you need to find the graphically the solution. Okay, so do this in the homework. So do in homework book. Okay, and if it is consistent, draw the graph. Already you know how to draw the graph, so draw it and paste the graph sheet in the homework book. Okay, so the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.